The latest updates on the car, as you can see here, Pedretti Racing, which we got on the car. You see the new GT500 style hood from 2020. It's on a 2008. Don't know how I did that. But we got that. The hood pins this time around. I actually did a lot better this time around putting these in. Of course, it's always, what do you call, nerve-wracking to drill holes in a brand new hood. But whatever. And let's check out the Boss 302. We also got the banner on that as well. Dang, son. Those are holding on pretty well since the update. Well, the one video I have of me doing that. New banner on here, as the Boss 302 now is sponsored by my channel. Let's back this up a little bit. There we go. Still looking good. We still got little things here and there to do on this to fix it. It's coming together pretty well. And we will, this Mustang and that Mustang will both be at the Cruise for a Cause in Wisconsin. Sorry, I'm kind of out of breath. I've been working on the dirge over here, trying to get it ready for winter. I got brand new wheels on the back. The front are fairly new, used and new. The back are getting a little old, so we got new ones as well for those. And we got new tires that'll be going on soon for that. And then I did the windshield now, cleaned it with the Deluxe Car Care. Looks good, because I got new windshield wipers on here as well. So I'm trying to get the truck ready for winter. 4x4 works. Everything's doing good on that. So yeah. And one little quick update as well. The rear end has been changed. Don't know what the tire is doing there. Maybe my wife put it there. I have no idea. I'm probably going to sell those. Maybe 200 bucks for those Pirellis 19s. Anyway, the back end we did to get the fluid changed. There it is. The Drake girdle, man. But we did get that fluid changed up out of there. Good to go. And is it this tire? No, it's not this tire. It's the passenger tire. Yes, there's a little red dot here too. Passenger tire is brand new because we might be tracking the car out there in the dells. And I just want it to be ready. I don't want to be racing on a patch tire. So this is changed, fluids changed. Car is pretty much ready to go. And just like that, we got a few more parts. UPS guy leaving. Well then, that's for another day. But yeah, so far the car is doing great, runs great. MGW shifter is amazing. I do not lock out on second no more. These seats are amazing. All these things are in recent videos, and we have more coming. The new car, like I said, is coming in spring, but I don't know what to do with this. Should we Paxton? Should we Pro Charge? Should we get rid of it? No, not the last one. What kind of supercharger should I go? What do you think would help me with the best power? I'm kind of leaning towards like Paxton, Pro Charger, stuff like that for this kind of car. I do not want to go turbo, so keep that in mind. Yeah, another thing that came in that I forgot to mention is a new harness seat belt, basically, from Carbua, as you guys can see. The last one, the part here, broke off. It got shut in the door when a passenger got out. It was kind of bad already previously, so I'm not blaming anybody because it was already messed up, but just got, you know, worse. So we're getting a new one. Gonna put that on. It does still technically work. It's just a pain in the ass to get off once it's buckled in on the old one. This new one, we're gonna fix that problem, well, because it's new. Oh, all right, that should wrap up this video. Sorry for like the little, maybe it's a little annoying updates and stuff. Just little things I'm going on with the car. I don't have a lot to give you guys right now, other than just kind of tidying up a few things here and there with the truck, the car, little updates on the sponsorship of me sponsoring the Boss 302, which Mason Pirtle's driving. But yeah, then we got another car coming to the channel spring. Figure out what we're going to do with this car over the winter. There's just a lot going on. Plus, we got the 71 Cutlass coming up. That's another project build on this channel. If you guys are interested in that or know someone that might be interested in, you know, the Cutlass build, hey, steer them in my direction. Other than that, I think that's about it. Remember, guys, every 1,000 subscriber we hit, every 1K, we're doing a detailing kit giveaway by Deluxe Car Care. And there's also little giveaways in between on Instagram, my TikTok, whatever. We're going to be doing little giveaways here and there. So the reason I'm doing it, I just want you guys to try out Deluxe Car Care and see for yourself that it is a shine above the rest. All right, anyway, catch you guys later. Hopefully I see you guys in the Dells. Remember, October 1st at the Ho Chunk Gaming Casino at 8 a.m. I should be there sharp. I'll probably be there all weekend. So take care. Love y'all. Subscribe if you haven't. All right.